Welcome back to the Wizard of Investments. Today, I'm going to be talking about ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. ETFs are a great way to invest in a basket of stocks or bonds, and they can be a good option for investors of all levels. What are ETFs? ETFs are a type of investment fund that trades on an exchange like a stock. They're made up of a basket of securities, such as stocks or bonds, and they track a particular index or sector. For example, there are ETFs that track the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the Nasdaq 100. How do ETFs work? When you buy an ETF, you're actually buying a share of the fund. The price of an ETF share is determined by the value of the underlying securities in the fund. ETFs can be bought and sold throughout the day, just like stocks. Why invest in ETFs? There are a few reasons why ETFs are a good investment option. First, they're very diversified. When you buy an ETF, you're investing in a basket of securities, which means your risk is spread out. Second, ETFs are very liquid. They can be bought and sold throughout the day, which makes them a good option for investors who want to be able to trade frequently. Third, ETFs have low fees. This is because they're passively managed, which means there's no need to pay for active fund managers. Types of ETFs. There are two main types of ETFs: index ETFs and actively managed ETFs. Index ETFs track a particular index, such as the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This means that the performance of the ETF will track the performance of the index. Actively managed ETFs are managed by a team of professional investors who try to outperform the market. Advantages of ETFs. In addition to the three reasons mentioned above, there are a few other advantages to investing in ETFs. First, ETFs are tax efficient. When you sell an ETF, you only have to pay capital gains taxes on the profits you've made. This is in contrast to mutual funds, which can be taxed on both the profits you make and the dividends you receive. Second, ETFs are easy to trade. You can buy and sell ETFs through a brokerage account just like you would buy and sell stocks. This makes them a good option for investors who want to be able to trade frequently. Disadvantages of ETFs. There are a few disadvantages to investing in ETFs. First, ETFs may not be as liquid as stocks. This means that it may be more difficult to buy and sell ETFs at the price you want. Second, ETFs may not track their underlying index perfectly. This is because the price of an ETF is determined by supply and demand, and there may be times when the price of the ETF deviates from the price of the index. In conclusion, ETFs are a great way to invest in a basket of securities, and they can be a good option for investors of all levels. They're diversified, liquid, have low fees, and are tax efficient. If you're looking for a way to invest in the stock market, ETFs are a great option to consider. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more investment tips. If you're ready to start investing in ETFs, I recommend checking out my website. I have a list of the best ETFs for beginners, as well as some tips on how to choose the right ETF for your investment goals. Thanks for watching.